Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics. Agilus Diagnostics.
हेलो गर्लीज। पीरियड्स और पीरियड्स के वो 3-4 दिन वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल है पीरियड्स में होने वाले सिम्टम्स। बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, उससे भी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमैटिक है पीरियड रूल्स। हर घर में अलग अलग रूल्स, रिचुअल्स और मिथ्स होते हैं पीरियड्स को लेकर। तो चलिए आज हम जानेंगे लोगों के घरों में क्या पीरियड रूल्स फॉलो होते हैं और साथ ही बस्ट करेंगे उन कॉमन मिथ्स को। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Tell us if there is any weird period rule at your home.
I have a lot of weird period rule at my place, but then the one of them is that you cannot touch pickle, achar during your periods. So yeah. Also, mandir, you cannot enter the temple when you're on your periods.
Okay.
Also, one of them is that you cannot wash your hair.
Hair.
Yes.
I know that's very weird, but even I don't do it. I don't wash my hair on my first 2 days of my periods. That's very weird, but I am following it.
ask my mom अगर पैड्स खत्म हो गए तो, बट डैड से नहीं बोलना है कि प्लीज़ पैड्स आपके आइए। शी विल से टू माई डैड कि पैड्स खत्म है, लेकर आना है। बट देन हैंड ओवर करने के लिए अगर मैं सामने भी खड़ी हूँ तो ही वोंट हैंड ओवर इट टू मी, बस ये रख के एंड ही विल गो एंड पास ऑन कि नहीं हम बात नहीं करना इस बारे में, ठीक है आप हो, ओके गुड। एंड
So Shreya, tell us about any weird period rule that you know.
Period rule, though I don't know, but if you've not gotten your period yet, here's what you can do to get it immediately. Wear your favorite pair of white pants. Don't carry a pad with you, and it'll come on its own without you doing anything, especially if you're on a vacation.
So do you think your periods sync with your friends or your colleagues?
Yes, it does. Because I don't know how this magic happens, but it does happen. And I totally believe in it because I've experienced it a lot, many times. In office, I actually sync a lot with my girlfriends during this time, for sure.
Roshni, what do you think about sex on periods?
Gross.
तो ये थे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग रिस्पॉन्सेज अबाउट पीरियड रूल्स एट होम. Many girls and women in South Asia, young and old, educated and uneducated, rural and urban, rich and poor, feel ashamed talking about periods. These myths are holding girls and women back. It's time we end them for good. Let's discuss a few myths and find out the fact that replaces it scientifically. Myth number 1, tampons take away your virginity. This myth is actually related to another myth that your hymen tears the first time you have sex. And actually, neither of these things is necessarily true. Your hymen is a tissue membrane that covers part of your vaginal opening. It's flexible and stretchy, but over time it loses its elasticity due to everyday movement, playing sports, having sex, and yes, using tampons. Using tampons will not make you lose or cause your vagina to stretch or change its shape. Once you've removed a tampon, your vagina goes right back to its usual shape and size. Myth number 2, we are always on that time of the month. Fact is, every period is like every woman, unique to the individual. It's widely circulated that a woman's menstrual cycle lasts 28 days. That's only an average number. Some women's cycle are much longer, from 29 to 35 days, while others can be shorter. Situations like travel, weight fluctuation, emotions, and medications can affect when a woman's period occurs. So, comments about how women are always on their time of the month aren't appreciated. Myth number 3, the pain we get during a period is real. We are not talking about headaches or bumping into sharp corners. Some of us have to take off work and curl up in bed hoping the pinching cramps will subside because it's that bad. This condition even has a medical name: dysmenorrhea. In fact, around 20% of women have dysmenorrhea that's severe enough to interfere with their daily activities. This condition affects our ability to concentrate, make us more anxious, and can make us downright unpleasant. It's also not anything you've experienced before. Another myth: period blood is dirty blood. Period blood isn't rejected body fluids or the body's way to flush out toxins. Think of it as evolved vaginal secretion. There's a little bit of blood, uterine tissue, mucus lining, and bacteria. But it doesn't change whether or not we can have sex. And it doesn't mean conditions are less than ideal down there. Period blood is very different from blood that moves continuously through the veins. In fact, it's less concentrated blood. It has fewer blood cells than our ordinary blood. Another myth is you poop so much on your period. Well, it's not a myth. It's for real. Dealing with period blood is bad enough, but to add insult to injury, it feels like you're also running to the bathroom every 6 seconds on your period, right? If you have ever wondered if you could just be imagining the fact that you have to poop more than on your period. Let me assure you that you're not imagining things. Your menstrual cycle rarely gets things flowing in your body, including making your stool flow a little more smoothly than usual. The stool is looser, so you are more likely to have a bowel movement when you're on your period. तो गाइज बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम पीरियड्स को लेकर जो मिथ्स हैं उन्हें बस्ट करें और अपनी हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी दें। आपके घर में ऐसे क्या क्या पीरियड रूल्स फॉलो होते हैं? Tell us in the comment section below, and if you have liked this video, share it and subscribe to our channel FitTuck.